everything I touch will break.
What's up guys, it's Pampo. Today, I'll go to London. Let's make a landmark, London Eye. First, draw a large circle. Do you wonder I'm speaking English suddenly? When I create a landmark, I want to use English. It's for a global channel. Attach LED that will brighten the London Eye. 저도 듣기 힘듭니다, 여러분. 참아주세요, 제발. Continue to add the LED. If we do this, we are done with half the London Eye. Then, London half eye. And draw a line from circle to the center. The motor is 3 RPM motor with small RPM. Connect all the circles I have made. One more thing is the slip ring to keep the wires from twisting. Even if motor rotate, line is fixed. Look at this. I'll make the bottom plate. Please subscribe 3D Penflow, please. And then, fix the motor and LED battery to the bottom plate. Now that I made a circle, I create an axis to fix it. It's been a long time since I've heard the classic music. Everyone who is having a hard time at work, students who is studying at school, someone who have a left at home, parents who care about their son and daughter. I hope everyone have a good night's sleep while watching this video. I've installed the motor well, and I will put it on the bottom plate. It works very well. 참아주세요, 여러분. The speed regulator can be disconnected and then reintegrated. Is the description one-dimensional? Just get it. And I'll make Gokul cone. I'm almost done. Cheer up. You can easily skip it. But I made this for a week. Don't skip. 64 trapezoids to add 32 parallel wheels. 과연 알아들을지 의문입니다. And make 32 oboes. The time of patience has passed and a cocoon has been created. But there's some work to trim. It's hot, so I put on gloves. Start again. I've drilled a hole in it so the elbows can turn. Look at that. But it doesn't work well. I'll make 32 axes and paint them white. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13. Combine axes and ferry wheels that I made. if I put it on like that, the London Eye overlooking London is completed. 드디어 끝났습니다, 여러분. 음소거를 해제하십시오. Isn't it exactly the same? Doesn't it feel like the London Eye? Like the own? And it can go around quickly. I went outside to feel London. Turn on. I can't go to London now, but I can feel London. I will do a landmark series sometimes. Thumbs if you like it, subscribe if you loved it, so I can make the next one harder. See you next time.